watching the headlines, and I seen a very interesting story. Truck driver's trial to start in death of 7 motorcyclists. How can you not click that? The trial for a commercial truck driver charged with causing the deaths in 2019 of 7 members of a Marine motorcycle club will open Tuesday, more than 3 years after the crash in northern New Hampshire. Jurors visited the crash scene Monday and traced the guy's route from an auto dealership along U.S. Route 2 to the crash site in Randolph, about 10 miles away. Opening statements are expected Tuesday in the trial, which is being held in State Superior. The motorcyclists who died June 21, 2019 were from New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island and ranged in age from 42 to 62. They were part of a larger group that had just left a motel along the highway and were headed to an American Legion post in Gorham to set up for an annual meeting. They were traveling east when they collided with the westbound truck, which was towing an empty flatbed trailer. Killed were Edward and Joanne Core, a couple from Lakeville, Massachusetts, Michael Ferrazzi of Contanuke, New Hampshire, Albert Mazza of Lee, New Hampshire, Desma Oaks of Concord, New Hampshire, Aaron Perry of Farmington, New Hampshire, and Danielle Pierre of Riverside, Rhode Island. In addition to the deaths, several bikers were injured. The man who was alleged to have killed these 7 people is from West Springfield, Massachusetts. I can't pronounce his last name. It's Zhukovskyy or something. Has pleaded not guilty to negligent homicide, manslaughter, driving under the influence, and reckless conduct. He has been in jail since. And that's their memorial. I've never heard of this story before. And here's the thing, man. Why doesn't the mainstream news push stories like this? This is a major thing. A truck driver, a 26-year-old guy, young man, is alleged to have run over and killed 7 motorcyclists at one time, and they were all Marines. Rest in peace to them. And if you're out there on a motorcycle, please take your time, because anything can happen.